Hey everybody, this is Laura and Scott here from Extraordinary Adventures, and we are on the Celebrity Beyond today, and we wanted to give you a room tour. We are on deck 12, room 179. We are in a Concierge Class Infinite Veranda, and everybody wants to know, what is this Infinite Veranda? So we're going to jump right to the Infinite Veranda part and explain. Hey everyone, this is Laura here from Extraordinary Adventures. Not only do we create videos like the one you're currently watching, we are also cruise travel agents. We don't charge a fee to help book and manage your cruise. Plus, if you do book with us, we offer expert planning advice as well as answer any questions you may have. If you are looking to book a cruise, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. So to open up your door, you just use your key card there and open it up. And you're going to immediately get to this console here, this panel right here. And when you touch it, we're currently in sleep mode other than these lights on for videotaping purposes. So I'm just gonna hit morning and we're gonna see what happens there. So when you hit morning, all the lights are going to come on and the Infinite Veranda, there are no balcony like shades, curtains here. There's this curtain right here and it comes up very, very slowly.
Which is basically a blackout curtain. I mean, it was dark.
It's dark.
Pretty dark.
It's a blackout curtain, and so if you are a person who likes to sleep with some ambient light to know what time it is in the morning, you're going to want to... It
doesn't have to do this full up or down thing.
No.
You can do inches if you want to have a little... It won't be from the top, it'll be from the bottom, won't be from the side or the side, but anyway. You can get a little ambient light.
Yep.
But let's do this quick because right now you're dark because all the lights.
Oh, I'm dark.
Let's get over here.
Okay, so if you needed to open, if you wanted to open up, so this part lowers, and I'm just gonna hit this button here.
Yep.
Do 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 do.
Yeah, that's the challenge. It's a little slow.
Do 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 do.
But once it's done, you have a pseudo balcony where you can see the sights.
Yes. So it's an extension of the room, and they're
giving them the sights. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
I want them to see Captain Kate. Captain Kate up there? Oh, I think I see her. Hi, Captain Kate. Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
Oh, so you were saying? Yes. So
it's an extension of the room. So if it is hot outside, it's going to bring the hot air in.
Correct.
But it does make the room itself feel larger when it's closed. These do close here.
Sure.
They're
always a little challenging, but you pull it from the right. Yeah, there you go. I don't know why that's like that, but then you can create like a balcony. Right. Which is what I do in the morning while Laura's still sleeping, or at night.
But I will also tell you, it's a little bit noisy closing these and lowering. So if there is a person sleeping, you have to be a little considerate of the noise. Okay?
Exactly. Go ahead.
Yeah, no. So then we're into the room here. We have a nice sitting room here. We have some drawers. We have a refrigerator here, mini fridge, and then...
Sorry, this is taking forever.
Yeah, man.
I know. 5, 4, 3, 2. I just didn't want the ambient noise on the film. Okay, sorry guys.
Woohoo!
Anywho,
so
there's your fridge.
Yeah.
Which they stock full of junk and they try to sell you some stuff here. They try to sell you some stuff.
You have your electrical outlets here, your 220, your 110, and some internet ports there. Yeah. Internet ports.
And they bring us ice because Scott likes ice twice a day. Likes to have ice cold water. Plenty of room for desk space, but here's even more desk space.
This is your full-length mirror, okay?
When the morning comes on, it always comes on darker. You do that, and it's much brighter.
Oh, there you go. Okay. But this also comes out here.
For a desk.
To make a desk.
To do your makeup, whatever.
So it's interesting, but then if you do that, then you don't see the full-length mirror. Right. So it's, but by doing this, it does give more space in the room.
Yes.
So I do like that. This is 202 square feet. And
if you watch our video from last month on Odyssey of the Seas, where we made a little complaint, first touch the ceiling. So it's a little harder for her here. It seems to be that somehow it's a little taller.
Just a smidge.
But the 20x square feet difference, you can really feel it.
You really can.
You really can feel that extra space.
Yeah,
and I don't know what that is, but...
We really complained about the room on Odyssey of the Seas, but this just...
And that was very little that we complained about on Odyssey of the Seas, but the room was one of them. This feels good. Much more spacious.
Yeah. There is still that same issue with getting through. I think it's a smidge wider here. But overall,
it's hard to knock them because even the luxury line Seabourn, we couldn't get through.
Yeah,
it's just it is what it is.
Just do that. I get it.
But I think here's the big difference.
Yeah. So
storage.
There is storage. There's just a lot less storage than there was on the Odyssey of the Seas. But that's it on your storage, and it's challenging to get in and out of with the bed right here.
But it has some extra drawers. It has a safe. Right behind Laura's, there's more cabinets there.
Yeah,
and it's got more stuff in there.
There's cabinets here and cabinets.
Could you get it done for a 1 week? Yes.
Yeah, we are. We're getting it done.
For a 2 week? And would I bring more formal clothing? Would it begin to get hard? It would.
I agree on that.
It would.
As far as next to the beds, the electrical outlets, on my side of the bed, there is one plug and then some USB charging. On the other side of the bed,
I got them got.
You don't have anything?
No, I have on the side of the phone, there's a USB. So if anybody doesn't know that trick, sometimes the side of the phone will have a USB outlet. So that's what I've done. I've chosen to do that.
Okay.
But I don't have any switches or outlets or anything else like that.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's all right.
But I think one of the best parts of the room itself is the bathroom. It's nice. I like the bathroom.
Yeah. Overall, the decor is very pretty.
It's gorgeous.
But honestly, we haven't been on a ship lately which there wasn't. Odyssey was great. NCL Prima was great. Like everything we've been doing has been great. So ships are really getting very, very, very pretty.
Yeah. So in here we have the wand, and then we also have because you're part of Concierge Class, you get premium shampoo and conditioner and body wash.
Which we don't use.
Which we're not using.
The wand is not my favorite wand, and the pressure's not so very good. The hot temperature got hot, but we always like to be critical if we have to be critical.
Yeah.
Shower pressure on the last couple of cruises were much better than this.
I get that.
Much better.
Yeah. There is a grab bar here if the seas are rocking.
And this is not a handicap room. This is accessible room. This is just a regular room, and they have some features.
Yep.
So you should be all right with that. Let's see if I can.
We have.
Come switch. I'll go be in the toilet.
Tag.
So, girl, they're trying to watch at home. All right, come on.
Yeah.
Come on in.
I'm coming. So you're sitting on the toilet?
Yeah.
Can you bring it?
Yeah, this is what it looks like.
Okay. So
it's a first.
It's a first. I like the his and hers, the left and the right side. This sink is nice and large. It's not terribly deep, but I like the length of it. And then you do have storage down below. Overall,
you have an outlet over there too. A regular one, not just a razor outlet, but a regular one.
Okay.
Which is I've never seen. Yeah. They usually have the thing in the ceiling.
Yeah.
Which is odd. But.
So that's the extent of the room. I don't really. Everything is working. Everything is functional. It's beautiful. That's about it. Yeah. So please like and subscribe with the notification bell on. That lets us know that you like what we're doing. We'll do more of it. And I guess that's it. We'll do the ship tour soon. I'll put a link up there.
Yep, the dance, the pointy dance.
Yeah, the pointy dance. And then we'll go from there. So
we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye for now.